Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magnetic poetry is probably one of the most creative and engaging ways to introduce children to the world of words and poetry. It's a playful learning tool that fosters imagination, improves vocabulary, and enhances spelling skills, all while having a blast arranging words on a magnetic surface. This video will dive into what makes magnetic poetry sets great for kids, helping you choose the perfect one for your young poets. Number 5. Poetry Tiles Essential Kit. With 797 magnetic word tiles, you have everything you need to create poems, messages, and silly sayings on your fridge. It's the perfect creative outlet for expressing yourself and making others laugh. It includes a wide variety of common words, connecting words, punctuation, prefixes, suffixes, and even 10 blank tiles for those unique words. You'll never be stuck for words again. Multiple people can use it at once, creating deep, meaningful poems or lighthearted jokes. It's a fun way to express yourselves and share a laugh. It's a great way to add personality to your kitchen and spark conversations. It's perfect for adults, roommates, and coworkers who appreciate a bit of wit and creativity. This is just the beginning. Explore our themed tile sets, including emotions, geek, lewd, sassy, and fightin' words, to further enhance your creative expression. We even have sets for kids. These tiles are built to last, with strong magnets to keep them in place and fade-resistant lettering. We stand behind our product and are committed to your satisfaction. Get ready for years of laughter, creativity, and self-expression. This kit is designed to bring joy and inspire your imagination. What we like. It has a large number of words and includes punctuation and blank tiles for maximum creativity. If you are looking for a comprehensive and versatile magnetic poetry kit to unleash your creativity, this is the one for you. It's perfect for adults and kids who love to express themselves through words and humor. Number 4. Kids Wordplay Fridge Magnets. Watch them build sentences and poems with these colorful magnetic tiles. It's a fun and engaging way to learn and grow. With 632 pieces, they'll have endless possibilities to create stories, messages, and more. There are plenty of duplicates of common words for building longer sentences. Different word types have different colors, making it easy to find exactly what they need. Yellow for nouns, red for phrases, and more. It includes fun phrases like by the river and in the castle, making it simple to create exciting stories. This helps build sentence structure and vocabulary. These magnets are perfect for kids 4 and up, meeting all U.S. safety standards. It's a great way to improve reading, spelling, and storytelling skills. Kids and adults alike will enjoy using these magnets to create silly messages and imaginative stories. It's a great way to bond and have fun together. What we like. This kit is color-coded for easy word selection and includes helpful phrases to simplify sentence construction. If you are looking for an educational and fun way to help children develop language skills, this is the perfect choice. It makes learning fun and engaging for young learners. Number 3. Poetry Tiles Horror Fridge Magnets. It's time to explore your creativity with these themed word magnets. They're perfect for crafting spooky poems and stories, no matter your age or experience level. With 536 unique tiles, you'll have a vast vocabulary to work with. Express your horrific, magical, or scientific ideas in verse. These aren't just themed words, they include 124 common words to help you build complete poems. Unlike other kits, you'll have everything you need to create amazing stories. Display your poems on your fridge, locker, or cubicle and share them with others. You'll love reading the poems your friends and family create, too. This set makes a fun and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves words, creativity, or a touch of the spooky. It comes in a beautiful gift box, ready to give. These magnets are designed for writing poems, not sticking up papers. Lift them gently to avoid scratching your surfaces. We guarantee your satisfaction. What we like. It offers a unique themed experience with a wide variety of words for creative expression. If you enjoy horror, fantasy, or sci-fi themes, this kit will allow you to create spooky and imaginative poems and stories. It's a great gift for creative individuals who love unique themes. What people say. 660 words turns out it's more than fit on my fridge. Great magnets, love playing with them. Arrived quickly. Well packaged. Come apart easily. good magnets. An absolutely terrific selection of words. The magnetic words are a huge hit at home for fun, and the kid-friendly kits are generating a lot of fun and learning too. They are easy to use and clean up and use again. Number 2. Poetry Tiles Refrigerator Magnets. Introduce Poetry Tiles, a magnetic word kit designed to spark creativity and self-expression. It's perfect for crafting poems, stories, and more, right on your fridge. With 412 themed word tiles, you can explore a wide range of emotions, from joy and love to sadness and anxiety. It's a great way to understand and process your feelings. This kit includes 124 commonly used words, ensuring you can easily connect your thoughts and create meaningful pieces. Unlike other kits, it's fully functional on its own. Share your poems with friends and family, whether they're funny, weird, or profound. You'll love seeing their responses and the poems they create too. These beautifully designed magnetic tiles come in a gift box, making them a thoughtful present for word lovers, poets, teachers, and anyone who enjoys creative expression. Simply pick up the tiles to avoid scratching surfaces. We're committed to your satisfaction, so please let us know if you have any issues with your order. What we like. This kit is perfect for exploring and expressing a wide range of emotions. If you are looking for a way to express your feelings and work through emotions, this kit provides a creative outlet. It's suitable for both adults and kids who want to explore their emotions creatively. What people say. The Poetry Tiles Emotion and Feeling Set is good quality. The sheets of words snap apart pretty easily, and I didn't damage any of them during the separation process. Refrigerator poetry has been around for years, and everyone seems to get a kick out of playing with the words when they see a set. The only thing is you have to get a brand that is sturdy, has a good selection of words, and importantly it has to stick. This set ticks all the boxes. I just got these yesterday to supplement a large collection of original magnetic poetry tiles, and these seem to be of equal quality. Number 1. Rayliad Poetry Tiles, Sassy Words. Express yourself with 412 sassy word tiles. Let your wit shine and show the world your true feelings. It's the perfect way to add some spice to your life. This magnetic word kit lets you create poems, stories, or warnings. Use it to keep unwanted people away or to simply express yourself with humor and flair. It includes 124 commonly used words, unlike other kits that leave you wanting more. This ensures you can always connect your ideas and create the perfect message. Use it alone or combine it with other Rayliad Poetry Tiles kits for even more creative possibilities. The only limit is your imagination. Give the gift of sass. It's ideal for anyone who loves to express themselves with wit and humor. Perfect for those who aren't afraid to speak their minds. These magnets are for creating words, not for sticking up photos or paper. Lift them to avoid scratching surfaces. Font may differ from other brands. What we like. This kit is full of sassy and sarcastic words for expressing your bold personality. If you enjoy expressing yourself with humor and wit, this kit will let you unleash your inner sass. It's a fun and unique gift for those who appreciate sarcasm and bold self-expression. What people say. Very playful, but also all you need for a complete poetry set. It isn't just a supplement to other sets. Nicely packaged as well. A huge selection of words. More than I expected. If you look at the third image, it clearly shows words that you may not want a younger kid to play with. I enjoy the poetry tiles. I would recommend anyone needing inspiration in poetry or just to communicate with people to buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.